is it.
The only good dessert at Halloween Horror Nights.
Welcome in, trekkers.
Hi, welcome everybody. I'm Dee.
I'm Darius.
We're Nice Treks. We're here at Universal Orlando Resort at Halloween Horror Nights 2024 to tell you about our favorite Stay and Scream zone. Which one is it? Let's go find out.
Hey, it's High Five Guy. This is the guy we were talking about.
If you're looking for terror, that way is your error. If you don't know who to call, it's that way. If you're looking for a quiet place,
It's New York. New York is our favorite Stay and Scream zone. Now, it was our favorite last year too, whenever we had other choices. Last year we had Today Cafe and Simpsons and New York, and it's still our favorite this year. This year there's only two. There's this one, and then there's the World Expo Stay and Scream. Now, we've already done the World Expo Stay and Scream where you enter through Lombards. You've basically got all outside of Lombards. The area around London, like the little semicircle, you're gated off from going inside of Diagon Alley though, can't go in there. And then all around the backside of World Expo, like where the Nightmare Fuel show is. And they only had one food booth, and that was the Goblin's Feast. And the food there was not the best. You couldn't even get food from Lombards. And there was no air conditioning except for the toilets. And there was no shelter from the storm and the lightning except the toilets. And there was maybe a total of 80 places to, like 80 seats for 80 people. And there's hundreds of people going back there. Now we will say, the lines to get into those back two houses, amazing. We were the third group into Slaughter Cinema. So if that's your goal, go back to Lombards, use that Stay and Scream to your advantage. Now, the great thing about New York is there's Finnegan's. So you've got the bar, but if you come super early, like right at 3 o'clock, it's not gonna be open. Sorry, had to whip out the umbrella. You know, Halloween Horror Nights goes hand in hand with the rainstorm. But as I was saying, if you get here super early, like we're here at 3:07, Finnegan's is not gonna be open. They're still shoving people out from having lunch. But when they do open, it's a poppin' place to be, and it's air conditioned. Also, you're gonna have the Palace Arcade that's air conditioned. You're gonna have Louis that's air conditioned with a lot of seating. You're gonna have Haagen-Dazs with air conditioning with a couple seats. You're gonna have all of these curbs to sit on. You get to watch them bring out and rearrange all of the props here in this scare zone. So you're gonna have first access to all of the IPs. You've got food booths, Ghostbusters food booths at that. I mean, there's just so many options here. We love it so much. Come along with us. We're gonna show you the rest of our night here. This is our fourth night at 2024 Halloween Horror Nights. We're doing the New York Stay and Scream, our very favorite. In this Stay and Scream zone, you're gonna have Twisted Tater and the Twilight Tavern with killer fish and chips. Hang on tight for a fun night ahead. Thanks for being here. Hit the like, hit the subscribe. Let's go have a fun night.
So we made it over to Finnegan's, and we got the Irish loaded chips to start off with. Those look pretty good. Sorry, we started digging in a little bit. Almost forgot to get it. Someone's a happy camper over there. Wow, check out the line for the houses.
So this is just as bad as waiting in line for a house regular. So I would say if you're gonna get here and wait in line, get here right at 3, but even then you're still gonna be waiting 3 hours for a house.
Maybe it'll change though. I mean, it's still too early to tell.
It's still very early in the season, but there's an alternate house over here, the Major Sweets house. Let's see how long the line for that is. She said we could just hang out here and wait for all of these gates to be moved. Look at all these open seats at Louis. I don't think anybody knows that this side is open. Yeah, everybody's just kind of chilling, waiting for the house. Nobody's in a rush. This is nice and open. I'm excited because we're just gonna be able to pop right out, and our goal is to go straight to Universal Monsters. And I know you're probably thinking, why didn't you just go to the World Expo Stay and Scream? That's because there's no seats, there's no air conditioning, and there's only 2 bars, and it's not as comfortable as this one. It's not as entertaining.
And so we ran into a friend. What is your name?
Ashley.
Ashley, all right. And then what are your goals for tonight?
Check out Scare Zone, get a bunch of pictures, and just enjoy the vibe.
barricades have been removed.
It is 5:45 and we're on the move.
5:45.
We made it. That's the longest walk, and I hate it so much. We're gonna go into Universal Monsters Eternal Bloodlines. This is supposedly like, everyone's raving about this house, so I really hope it's like the house of the year. I want it to be so good. That was a good house. This lady was screaming.
I ran past him. I left. I just left him.
Left my butt for dead.
Yeah.
What do you think about the Bloodline Eternal Monsters?
It was good. Us three went back for round 2.
Uh-huh.
I'm glad we did. The flying wolf thing got me good. It was really cool.
All right.
I liked it. The first time I got a lot of scares towards the end. The second time around, I felt very rushed. I feel like there was like a timing issue, but it was a really cool house. I loved the bat chick. She got me the first time. She got Dee the second time. It was really cool. I liked it.
All right.
Definitely dig the vibe. It was like probably the best aesthetically pleasing looking house.
I feel like to reset each scare actor took too long because yeah, it would get the person in front of you or 2 people in front of you, but 6 people would pass before you had a chance to see that again. So I feel like the reset took too long for each scare actor and you just didn't get as much as you would hope for. All right, we got the Crimson Chaos Cider with berries and cherries. Give it a go.
All right, let's try this out.
Yeah.
That is very berry.
Very berry.
It's honestly really good. I like it.
Good.
All right, so what you think?
The clowns got me really good. The shark's cute though, I wanted to boop his nose, but I haven't been that scared since the Blooding Gale house. I was wearing the same outfit as my little sister's clown, so it freaked me out. She could hide it in my bed.
Oh my gosh.
So we're taking shelter from the rain in Simpsons, and I went outside and I got a Shirley Black. It's like a dirty Shirley, but instead of grenadine, it's black cherry. So. That's good.
There are some on the bottom. Oh, you got the kitten?
Oh yeah, that's good.
Yeah? Good. Yeah. Okay, you ready to go through the zombie scare zone?
I'll see y'all on the other side.
Oh my god. Are you taking the safe way?
I got y'all.
Okay, bye. This is the Tres Leches cake. This is my last chance to find a good dessert at this event because I haven't been able to find anything tasty that's a dessert anywhere. It's all dry. I hope this is really good.
Is it?
The only good dessert at Halloween Horror Nights is the Tres Leches cake.
All right, here's a bit of a time jump. We made it over to Starbucks because we need some caffeine to pick us up through the rest of this night. It's only 9 o'clock.
Okay, preface that with, we're not used to going 3 days super hard until EDC every year. This is rough. We're old. Anyway, a very special person said that I should try the new apple drink here at Starbucks. It's a apple chai non-dairy latte.
Oh.
Oh my god, she was so right. This is so good.
Oh?
This is my new favorite drink. How does she know me this well?
I got a Doppio.
I was like, this is boring.
Yeah, I got Doppio. I mean, but hey,
That'll pick you right up though.
it's a strong pick-me-upper.
The tribute store is like a house. Like we're behind everybody.
Yeah. I picked up a shoulder buddy. Look, he's cute, isn't he?
Look at this little buddy.
That's the bike up there?
Yeah, the little shoulder buddy, but he's on the hat.
Yeah, he's a hat buddy now.
He's a hat buddy. Major Sweets milk chocolate with bourbon flavor candy bar.
Did you get a golden ticket? Oh.
I like it.
Okay.
It's weird. It's like a chocolate old fashioned a little bit.
Here we go. That's not bad.
Yeah.
That's really good.
I was worried it was gonna be bad. It was good, yeah.
Yeah, that's not bad at all. All right,
when I tell you it is a holy teenage takeover, Batman, and now it's starting to rain. We've had a great night. Our friends found Shotzi. We got to try candy and desserts. I found the one good dessert. We told you our favorite Stay and Scream zone. We've had a great night.
Yeah.
We didn't do Insidious yet. The wait times are crazy, and teenagers playing 7 minutes in heaven in the companion bathrooms, shoving each other, jumping over each other, cutting in line. It's been rough. So we're gonna go. We had a great night. Thank you to our patrons. Like, subscribe, comment, and we'll see you real soon.
Bye.
Bye.